And then another thing I highly recommend is actually figuring out what is your sound. So what is my sound is probably one of the hardest codes to crack. I spent a year actually just kind of choosing my sounds. And because I spent so much time choosing my sounds, now when I think about sound, I kind of almost know where to find this sound. So being able to identify what is your sound or what sounds resonate with you is a real important skill. Okay? So I would encourage you, before you get to the masterclass, start listening to songs you love, write them down, and try to see if you can find a language or words to describe what sounds do you love in that song. Starting to be able to use your own language to describe sound is a huge part of the music production process. So being able to identify, I want a saw bass, I want a glitchy melody. Saying those particular language things really help you to fast track being able to map in your brain, I want to do this, and then you're able to do it basically. And it's just a very simple idea. Look for 3 songs you love and start to write down what in those sounds do you like. Yeah, it's taken me actually quite a long time to find my own sound, but now I think I've finally found like my own musical sound. And it takes a lot of experimenting before you find your sound. Some people just find one sound that works for them and then they're just automatically connected and they have a lot of success with it. Have a great day, subscribe to the channel, and make some awesome music.